Let's look at a harness custom stage. I'll use this project in this pipeline here. A custom stage, I'll show you one that's already created and then I'll create one. A custom stage is different from, say, a deploy, CD, build, CI, approval stage, feature flag stage, or security test stage, in that it doesn't have any of the predefined settings that they have. For example, in deploy and build, you're going to have a service and an infrastructure, and then an execution. In custom stages, it's an ad hoc tool that you can use to perform any kind of provisioning or shell scripts or utility functions that you don't want to do in another stage. You can do all of these in the CI and CD stages. For example, all the steps available in a custom stage are also available in CI and CD and feature flag stages. But a custom stage doesn't require you to create a service. It doesn't require you to define an infrastructure for building or deploying. It's simply execution, a series of executions. So in the overview, you have a name, and in advance, you can create variables, just like you would in CI and CD stages. And you can reference the variables, just like you would there by selecting here. And then in execution, you can add any of the steps I showed you. So we've got, at this point, we've got utility ones like HTTP and shell script. We've got approval steps like the manual approval, Jira, ServiceNow. We've got Jira create and update, create barriers. You can add OPA policies, policy sets. You can also do ServiceNow create and update, and you can do Terraform provisioning, and eventually you'll be able to do cloud formation provisioning as well. And so that's basically it. The advanced settings are the standard advanced settings. You have conditional execution settings and failure strategies you can apply to the stage. And all of the other settings like notify, flow control, policies, and advanced options are also available. And that's basically it for a custom stage. It's just a way to perform your deployment utility operations or your build utility operations or any kind of operation you need to do, but you don't need to do a deployment in our standard predefined ways or a build in our standard predefined ways.